Alright chaps, I haven't got too long because my parking expires in 15 minutes. I'm going to think this might have been a mistake. Oh well, I have to make the most of it. Jesus. Oh god, there. Coming freaking fast now, this is a bit unnerving. I might have to call time on this actually, they're getting a bit aggressive. Didn't anticipate this much attention. No, you won't be doing any of that, you won't be flying in my face. Nope, not on the fast, thank you. Nope, out my face, thank you. I'm going to regret this and enjoy it at the same time. Nope. Alright, not be funny chaps, prices up. Nope. It's clearly a mistake. I think we've got to stand actually where I have a bit more control of the situation. Cheese. Right, that's all there is. That's all I'm giving to you lot anyway. You're not being very polite about it, to be honest. The swans and the pigeons are, these seagulls aren't. Gulls, whatever you are, I don't know. Too close, mate. Nope. Right, nope. This really hasn't played out how I thought it would. It actually makes me very glad to see this one, because will push away anyone who gets a bit too close and they're right in front of me, so that's kind of working to my advantage given the situation at the moment. Oh, something spookman. You can have my crisp crumbs if you're that desperate, that's the last I'm giving you. The pigeon's air chance. I'm being mobbed by pigeons, but this is less intimidating than the gulls. Yeah, I'm actually very grateful for the presence of the swans, considering the way everyone's decided to behave today. Shame the ducks haven't been able to get in on it, but it seems everyone else has got their feel. Right, you can have the crumbs I'm going to shake off, and that's literally all. There you go, please yourselves. That's all I've got left to offer. Now I've got to make a move shortly because my parking expires. I think I kind of got the hint that's the last of the food because it looks like everyone's starting to disperse. Oh, it's a shame it didn't go as expected because I must admit these gulls have ruined things by being very impatient and getting right in my face and generally being a bit intimidating, but if it weren't for the gulls it would have been quite pleasant actually. Pigeons don't give anyone any trouble and the swans are usually polite. You can watch the birds whilst they clean up. I know there's no food now. I think they're quite aware of that, so they're not attempting to mob me. I think they're hopefully anticipating that I might somehow have something else for them, but I haven't, so that's all they're getting out of me today. You like posing for the camera, don't you? No, someone else is giving me food now. Right, my parking's going to expire, so I better get on my way now.